Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to send an international wire transfer using Bank of America's online banking. It's easier than you might think, so let's dive in. First, log in to your Bank of America account online. Before you begin, make sure you have all the recipient's information, their full name and address, their bank's SWIFT code, routing number, account number, and the account type. You'll also need your debit card and PIN, unless you've already set up secured transfers. Once you're logged in, head over to the Pay and Transfer section and choose Wire, ACH. If it's your first time, you'll need to accept the service agreement. Next, add a new recipient. You'll select International, then pick the recipient's country and currency. If you're unsure about the currency, it'll default to US dollars. Then fill in the recipient's name, bank address, and account number using SWIFT, IBAN, or another identifier, depending on the country. You'll need to verify your identity by checking a box, and if you haven't already enrolled in secured transfers, you'll be prompted to add your phone number. Bank of America will text you an authorization code, enter it, and submit your debit card info to complete the setup once the recipient is added. Head to Make Transfer, choose your source account and recipient, and enter the amount. You can change the default currency if needed, select the purpose of the transfer, and add a description if you like. Then review any exchange rate and fee information. You'll see a final scam warning, read it carefully, and click to continue. Check all the details, agree to the terms, and click Make Transfer. The transfer will process, usually taking 1 to 2 business days. You'll get a confirmation message and an email receipt. You can print or save that for your records. And that's it. Your international wire is on its way. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.